If your Chevy Colorado keeps dropping Apple CarPlay, it is likely a simple connection or software bug we can fix in minutes. Believe it or not, 85% of these connection drops are caused by the physical cable rather than the truck itself. Let's walk through the troubleshooting steps to find exactly where your signal is failing. Start by clearing the connection history on both your phone and the truck to ensure a fresh digital handshake. Your cable is the most common point of failure, so always stick with a high-quality MFI certified cord under 3 feet. Double-check that CarPlay isn't being restricted by your phone's screen time settings or the truck's privacy menu. Wired drops are usually physical, while wireless issues are often caused by signal interference or battery-saving modes. Most owners find that a simple cable swap or system reset resolves the issue without needing a trip to the dealer. If all else fails, a hard power cycle of the truck's infotainment system can clear out stubborn software glitches. Be aware that active VPNs or hotspot apps on your phone can sometimes interfere with the CarPlay wireless connection. A tiny bit of pocket lint can prevent the cable from seating fully, causing the connection to drop over every bump. With these steps, your Chevy Colorado should stay connected. Drive safe, and we will see you in the next video.